Tā, Emīl, kurā vietā tu dotajā mirklī esi?
Pie Andra.
Esmu piemīlis.
Ā, jā,
Tas ir
pat lejā
tas
esi.
pat. The chasm is right here. Don't fucking into it.
Kas tas tāds ir? Wow!
Mm-hmm.
Oh my fucking god.
Yes. I see a spider down there.
Jums nav tāda kā tekstūra dīvaina, ka tu maino lietas?
Not
A
really.
little bit.
Bet kā es,
Interesting.
kā es tev teicu, ka šitais legendary ir potenciāli varbūt biki broken, tāpēc arī es ieteicu citas mappakas. Nu, texture pakas.
Jā. Oh, it's night time, boys! Oh, fuck!
Down you go, baby.
Who mined that? Come on. Man 2 copper ir. Should I throw it out? Bleh.
Can somebody make a door? Close this up.
Kur ir crafting bench?
Over here.
Man ir a wood.
Damn.
Should we
The
need...
moonlight.
Do we
It's
need
nice.
double security?
The night sky is nice.
Jū, tā kā tie godreis, kas nāk no turienes. No
Mhm.
kokiem.
It's fucking bright.
Tāpēc, ka pilnmēnes.
Jā.
Kaut kādu water bucket vienkārši te nomest, lai varētu uz augšu un lai iet. Bet no obviously mums vajag priekš tā iron. Tas chasms baigi lielais. Vienkārši rokamies tupi uz leju and hoping for the best.
Don't we need food?
I mean, I have food.
Wanna share? 3 pork chops. I think I will get more food.
No, don't die. Tev vēl armora nav.
It's fine.
Is
Cold.
it though? A little bit of that.
Ei, kas mums Blackam Pillager?
Tipā viņiem kaut kāda struktūra. Tādā
Village, I found a village.
Damn, tik tu mums bija village?
Jā.
Let's go steal their beds.
Hell yeah, man.
Let's fucking go.
Tagad tas?
We shall be the pillagers. Hiya! Where? Where are you?
Ei, kas redzu gaismu no turienes.
Tas man neko neizsaka.
Nē,
Ei, es redzu māju vēl. Kur jūs?
Andri, kur tu esi? Es redzu
There-
māju.
Šeit.
Ko šeit?
Pāpa aiz muguras ir.
There's a fucking pillager! Ah! Run!
I killed him.
Priekšu šeit.
You sure that's a village?
But it looks like it. Es nezinu, kādus modus tie ielika. I guess
No.
so.
Jā, vienkārši struktūras. Es nezinu kādas.
Man, fucking hell, man.
Oh, it is a village.
My eyesight is very good.
Hey, baby girl. Damn, you fucking ugly. Look at him. Squidward?
Squidward, is that you?
Look at him.
Oh!
Damn. I'm stealing their fucking hay. Gonna be some good bread.
Handsome Squidward.
Getting rid of all their fucking food.
It's not like they need it.
Actually, they need to reproduce.
Villagers don't have sex, they fuck.
A little bit of them cows.
A midget. Potatoes. Bread. Rose bushes.
What the hell is this block? A honeycomb block.
Honeycomb? Carl? Share?
I said nothing.
Cumb.
Share?
Cumb.
Share?
No.
Share? Share?
No.
Share? Come
No.
on, share, share. Come on. Got anything to share with the class?
Do we need cartography table? Do we need that?
I don't know, do we? Honk.
There's fucking bookcases over here. I guess I'll just leave these here. Can pick them up later.
Ņem range liels zombijiem. What the hell is this?
I got myself a honey block. Es vienkārši apzūgu dravinieku.
Kas tas? Oh, never mind. The deck. Wow.
More potato.
Chains. There's lava here. Hell yeah. Ooh!
Tā, ko tev vajadzēja, lai tu varētu, tipā, harvestot? Tu varēji ar roku harvestot, vai arī tev vajadzēja kaut kādu tūlu priekš tā?
I'm not sure.
Ko tieši?
Nu, tipā, krops.
Krop?
Kas ar roku tikai?
Ar roku,
Yeah,
jā.
With your hand. I'm dripped out.
Alarm! Ah, nice. I have these.
You have a fucking arrow in your skull.
Good.
Pingu, no!
That's why I had headband.
There is a lava pool over here.
Oh, damn.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, indeed.
Pigs! They have a pen here. Hell yeah. What's this? Don't kill the pigs!
Why?
Ooh,
We can still breed them, come on.
Okay, okay.
Don't get rid of our sustenance, you fool!
We live here now.
Why not?
es varu iedot jums potatoes un carrots, ja jums vajag ēdienu.
Man ir potato salad.
I got bread.
More hay.
Yay, yay, yay.
There's literally a door in there.
No. No. Did I ask? Didn't ask.
Yeah, who wants an achievement? Achievement. Who wants achievement?
What achievement? What the fuck? How did you get that?
I'll do just a.
Bruh.
I get 10 million achievements. Yeah, where is he though? I
Oh,
can't find
already
him.
mingling with the villagers.
There's a lot of wood here. I can't find him. Do you know where Emils is? Burbicha. Oh,
Diamonds.
yeah.
Speeder.
Why did he call him like that?
Don't worry about it.
I found Carl's home. Not very Fortnite of you.
Mm.
I'm flossing right now. A dog. I have no bones.
A midget.
Multiple dogs. Any skeletons to slay?
Hello, Mr. Cartographer, or what's that?
Es saprotu, ka plus mīnus jūs par šito village gribat ņemties, ja?
It's got resources. It's a pretty good place right now.
Okay, es nometīšu tad praktiski stuff šeit.
Mm-hmm.
Un es domāju, tā, es sakraftoju sev šausmīgi daudz maizes.
As you should.
So I will go and conquer the world.
Oh, damn. Damn, this is a good spot.
Damn, there are visu furnace and stuff. Some bees too. Would you look at that? Some chickens.
Chickens.
O, kā reiz šīp, lai es varētu sataisīt gultu.
You got beds?
Ja kas te ir atļauti console commands, tas nozīmē, ka mēs varam izmantot lietas kā TP.
Slash TP nicknames uz tā nickname. Kā mēs izsastēs? Add 100 diamonds.
Hell yeah.
Mēs esam uz tādas kā milzīgas salas. Tad, nu, tā kā augstas, pareizāk sakot.
1 gazillion dollars.
Shit's steep.
But
Yo, guys, you should TP to me.
That's cheating.
Vienkārši screenshotu.
Tad, laikam, lejā ir vēl viens village. Pagaid, šis sadalīts vairākās daļās. Viens tur tā kā uz viena pusi ir uz ļoti lielas nogāzes, un otra ir tā kā touch. Oh my god. It looks abandoned. It's just ruins of some kind of castle and village. Huge ass ruins. Yeah, this is cool. This is nice. I like this.
Huge ass ruins. And I get you.
Oh no, that's fucking creeping up!
Now we hear the boom sound. No, we don't.
Oh man.
You lied. Boop. Beepity. And man būs dzeltena gulta. Nevar tu būt.
Creepers izskatās pēc vienkārši milzīgi kaut kādas zaļas zirnekļa.
Hey, they have feelings too.
Horse dirt.
Taču gravel, Jesus Christ.
I got myself a candle.
Kā viņu taisīt?
Jau ka no vaska.
Oh,
Kas tas tāds? Raw iron. Oh shit.
It's fucking raw!
Exactly. Piece of shit.
why so aggressive? It's Minecraft.
The archers. Fucking bane of my existence.
Did you take an arrow to the knee?
Did you
Yes.
say? Did you say pain?
Perhaps.
I know pain. I'm getting pain all the time.
Hell yeah, I fucking found the thing I wanted. I found dark logs.
Tipa to dark oak.
Mm-hmm.
His favorite. Nighttime.
Tā kā gribat, lai ejam gulēt?
It's fine. Man ir spawn setupots.
I'm not nearby, so I really can't.
Damn, es dabūju tik daudz coal. Let's go.
Wolfe! Ah! Damn, it scared me.
I have 3 bones.
Come on.
Come on then. Come on. I found the place that I'm gonna build at.
Netālu no tā village'a.
It's a bit away from the village. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Creeper. Fucking baby zombie. Piss off. Piss off, mate. Fucking like. No. Fuck. This is a bit too much. I basically found a valley. Pretty fucking deep valley, tur ūdens apakšā, un es vienkārši grasos taisīt tiltu pāri tajam valley, un šitan ir tā kā Dark Oak Forest.
Es arī redzu valley. Tikai noteikti mēs esam citās vietās.
Nu, tad tu redzētu, jo man te ir uztaisīja ar birch logiem tādu mazu tiltu. Torches var redzēt. So.
Tas tik bija episks leciens. Let's go. Some kind of ancient fucking marketplace.
Hey, yo. Are you cheeky wanker?
Kā tev šitie šeit ir, Emil?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Video karta. Ah!
Par kā tev ar to nelago?
Nope.
But soon.
Vienkārši grūti ar šo resource paku pierast.
Hey!
Looks
Tu jau
weird.
vari jebkurā mirklī noņemt nost.
Yeah, yeah.
Double door system. Kādu jumtu taisīt?
Fucking skeletu homing arrows vienkārši bendo laws of physics, lai man trāpītu.
Fucking Christ, this locked. You can die from shit like this.
Harley, beidz kačāt.
Enough with the hentai, Carl. It might be art, but it's enough.
You can't do this to me.
Oh, holy shit. Te ir arī tieši village. Damn. And this is a fucking pretty village.
My discovery.
Šitais arī sanāk like a Dark Oak village. Oi! Где ты, бля? Иди нахуй!
Truly, yes, a good village. Oh.
So
oh
it's
my.
pillaging.
Would be a shame if someone settled it.
Fucking piece of shit. It's mine! I found it! I lay claim to this place. I guess this is not Dark Oak, this is like a spruce village.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's a shit ton of spruce saplings in the fucking chest.
Šis ļoti liels village.
Mhm. And
Priekš
this is a...
Minecraft standartiem šis jau būtu fucking town.
Mhm.
Tā ir taiga! Fuck yeah, es kādreiz gribēju taigu atrast.